We select Open With and choose Scene View Offline. It opens for us in Google Chrome. And make sure your Google Chrome is updated as well. As you can see, it opens in the web environment, just like the previous one, with only one difference. And that is, here there is actually a design site present. When I click on it, it switches to the design site. Provided that we set this to the suggested mode. At the same time, we can change these like this and see the result. So, what happens if the play button is pressed? When the play button is pressed, it returns to the state where we had created the animation. From there, it starts generating the video and begins to play. All you need to do is use video editing software to record what's happening right now, and submit that as your final project. For example, you can see that you can change these simultaneously and instantly see the changes here. For instance, I set the current street situation to the urban banner mode like this. Then I set it to urban design mode, and then to the proposed situation mode. In the proposed situation, it paused. It switched to the observer's view, and then in the project, it started moving, performing the movements programmed into the camera, and then moved upward. Now here, we can change these again. It all depends on what we have in mind. It can be done accordingly. Then we said we'd create a top view of the city from the rail city we built, and this can switch between these two. So, based on the video you have and the brainstorming you've done from that video, you can use changing these two to build it and see how it works. The existing streets, the proposed state, existing state, and proposed state. And finally, as we said, it comes into the top view, then into the perspective view, showing us the whole city in that super block. In the end, it goes back and repeats its process from the beginning, starting from the site, which was actually our design site. Once it's finished, you no longer need it to be displayed. You press the pause button to exit animation mode. And if you need to start over, just press the play button on that 3D view and it will start moving for you again from the beginning. Whichever of these views you select, it will switch to that view, set it up for you, and start moving along that view. For example, if I want to see the top view, I can check it here again. You see, it switches to the top view and now it moves within the top view. Then I can view my streets and urban planning, urban design, existing streets, and proposed conditions in real time. All we need is to know how to storyboard a video scenario, and by using this technique, we can easily present our work and finally show the existing and proposed conditions done. So, using this technique, we were able to easily create an animation of our urban space. If our system isn't powerful enough to do this with real-time software, and more importantly, this environment is web-based. What we're seeing is a web-based environment. It's not running inside another software.